To get started with how to ground flax seeds into flour or meal using a blender, grab some raw unroasted whole brown flax seeds for the highest quality. You can choose between whole brown or golden flax seeds, as they both have the same nutritional properties. You can ground both small or large amounts. We will ground 1/4 cup of flax seeds. Make sure the blender is dry and not wet so the flax seeds don't stick to the sides of the blender. Add the flax seeds into the blender. You can use a normal blender if you don't have a Vitamix. If you have grind on your blender, press grind or slowly rev the blender up, starting at speed 1 and slowly turn it to speed 5. Turn it to 6 or 7 or max capacity if you have to ground large quantities of flax seeds. Blend the flax seeds for about 1 minute or until it is grounded. Flax seeds have oil in it, and if you grind it for too long, it can become pasty. Once the flax seeds are grounded, enjoy and mix it in with your food. Grounded flax seeds have a nutty flavor, and 1 to 2 tablespoons goes well with breakfast oats, smoothies, and green drinks. 1/4 cup of flax seeds makes half a cup of grounded flax seeds and is about 220 calories. Flax seeds have lignans that reduce oxidative stress. It's a great source of soluble and insoluble fiber for a healthy digestion, clearing the colon and pushing waste out of the body. It's great for the heart, having omega-3 fatty acids. It has no cholesterol. It's low in sugar and sodium. It won't spike blood sugar levels, having a low glycemic index, and it's packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. So can you eat flax seeds whole? Yes, but sometimes the small seeds don't break down when you eat them, and they can pass through the digestion, coming out whole or partially whole. When the flax seeds are grounded, the body can benefit from it and absorb all the nutrients better. If you buy flax seeds grounded, make sure you eat them right away. Grounded flax seeds start to go rancid in a short period of time, within a few weeks before it starts to have an unpleasant taste and odor. Grounded flax seeds are milled at the factory, then goes through packaging and transportation before getting into stores. The delivery time will vary during this process, as well as time spent on store shelves. It's a lot fresher to buy raw whole flax seeds and ground it yourself, making as much as you want and eating them fresh. Store your freshly grounded flax seeds in the refrigerator for 1 week, in airtight tinted containers or glass jars, as air, light, and heat makes the oils in the grounded flax seeds oxidize and go rancid. Whole flax seeds can also be stored in the fridge or freezer for up to 6 to 12 months to preserve its freshness.